we created this flowchart which was basically printing the times table of 2. So now what we need to do, we need to convert this flowchart into Python program. So let's start typing the code. Again, my friends, the same drill. What we have to do, we have to convert each and everything into Python. So this instruction, let's convert this instruction, and that is the simple one. So a is equal to 1. We will have to write it as it is. Now the next instruction is, we know that this instruction is while, because this is basically the loop. So it will execute these lines and it will go back to the top. So we have to use the while instruction. So we will write while here, and in front of the while we have to write the condition, and the condition is a is less than equal to 10. And we know that we have to write the full colon. I made a small mistake here. The W must always be the lowercase. Okay, and then the things will be indented if you want to put that thing inside the body of the loop. So now the syntax is print, and we want to print 2, so we will write 2. And then we want to print x. So what we will do, we will type x here in front of it, because we want to print another value, so we will use comma. And then we want to print a, because that is what it's mentioned in the flowchart. And then we will write equal, and then here we will write the expression. So 2 times a. Instruction done, and then we will write a is equal to a plus 1. Let's discuss that thing for a second. So what will happen when we click run? It will make a variable with the name of a, and it will store 1 there. Then it will check the condition. Is this condition true? Is the value of a less than equal to 10? So it will pick up the value of a, which is 1. So yes, it is less than equal to 10. So the condition is true. It will come and it will execute this line. Let me maximize the screen. Okay, so the variable a is created. It is 1. So now it will check the condition. Is this condition true? So yes, it is true. Why? Because the value of a is 1, which is less than 10. So it will come here and it will execute this line. So here I'm asking him to print 2. 2 is the data, so it will print 2. Then after comma, I'm asking him to print this data, which is x in the speech mark, so it will write x. Then I'm asking him to print a. So a is a variable, so it will print the value of a, which is 1, so it will print 1. Then in the speech mask, this is string data, it is equal, so it will print equal, and then it will multiply 2 with the value of a. So the value of a is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, so it will print 2. It will execute this line. So this line is a is equal to a plus 1. It means pick up the value of a, which is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and store 2 back inside a. So what it will do, it will store 2 there. The previous value will overwrite it. Now it will go back to the condition. Because this is the loop, so it will go back. But before executing the body of the loop, what it has to do? It has to check the condition. So it will check the condition. Is the value of a less than or equal to 10? So yes, it is less than or equal to 10. Why? Because it is 2 now. If it is true, it will come here and it will execute this line again. It will print 2. In speech marks, it is x, so it will print x. And then it will print a. I'm asking him to print a. What is the value of a? The value of a is 2. So whatever the value of a is, it will print it here. Then it will print in the speech marks, it will print the equal sign. Then it will solve the expression. So 2 times a, the value of a is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. It will print 4 here. It will execute this line. The value of a is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and it will store 3 back in a. So it is 3. And now it will check the condition. The condition is true. So it will execute this line again. So this time it will print 2. X, the value of a is 3. It will print 3. Then equal sign. And then 2 times a, the value of a is 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. And the loop is executing 10 times. So it will print the times table of 2 up to 10. Let's run the code now. So when we click run, see my friends, it is printing the times table of 2.